Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to track button clicks in Google Analytics 4. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to analytics.google.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you already have one, you can always go and, if you don't have one, you can always go and register. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the Home, Reports, Explore, and Advertising buttons, and the Admin panel. Also, we have something about your profile in the top right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and track button clicks in Google Analytics 4. So to do so, you need to go and guys, turn on the enchanted measurement. So that is really important to go and click the enchanted measurement. Then set up your Google Tag Manager account. After that, when you set up your Google Tag Manager account, you need to guys go and configure Google Tag Manager built-in variables. So when you did that guys, the next step that you of course now have to do is go and click on go to overview and select add new tag. After adding that new tag guys, you just need to go to tag configuration and create a new event tag, and that's basically how you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and that you found it informative guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, we will really appreciate that. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do that for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.